Hey everybody, and welcome back to Mission Control for a feature-focused video. In this video, we're going to talk about queue release on a chase. Queue release are the options for a chase found in the Release tab. If turned on, after each step in the chase, fixtures which are not programmed in the next step will be released. This allows you to create an overlay chase with gaps in it where the fixtures will return to their previous state. For example, you can create a chase where every alternate queue sets the fixtures to white, with the in-between queues being blank. If this option is on, the fixtures will bump to white and then return to the color set from a previous look, giving you the white bump effect. Some programming tips. To ensure that only the channels you want to change, color in our example, are recorded to the steps, record in channel mode. Be sure to press clear to remove the last set fixtures from the programmer or use the off function. Then, in your options menu, under the Release tab, turn Queue Release on. Set the release mask to the specific group attributes you want affected. Set the release time, 0 for our example here. These can also be used for dimmer dropout effects by turning the Crossfade HDP function on. See our video on Crossfade HDP. So let's take a look at this. Here I've got version 14 of Titan on the Titan Go interface. So what we'll do here is we'll go ahead and see if we had this play back up and we wanted those fixtures to bump to white through a chase. Here's how we would go ahead and record that. So go ahead and we'll go over fixtures and groups, and we'll actually leave this up so we can see our fixtures. We'll go ahead and select these fixtures and go back to our groups and palettes, and we'll go ahead and use our white to set our first fixture as white. So now I'll go ahead and hit record, create chase, select an empty fader, leave that record mode is in channel. Then we'll go ahead and either hit the blue button or pen step for our first step in our chase. And then we'll hit clear, and we'll go into our fixtures and groups again, select our next group of fixtures, set them to white, hit our blue key, hit clear, go to our fixtures and groups again, and I'm actually going to select both of these at the same time. Go back to here, set them to white, add it to our chase, hit clear, fixtures and groups again, select, back, make them white, add it to the chase, hit clear, fixtures and groups again, select their fixtures, back to here, set them to white, record it, go ahead and hit clear and exit. So now we'll go ahead and lower this down for now. We can go into our options menu, select our chase, go to the Release tab, go to our Queue Release on, set our release mask to local and set it to include color. We'll set our release time to 0 and then exit out of here. Now if we fire this, look up, and we now run our chase, and since we want it to be more bumpy, we'll turn our crossfade down. And if we turn our speed up, speed goes up with it. So that has been Queue Release on Chase in version 14 of Titan. I hope you learned something. Join us on Facebook at Avolites US. Join us here next time. Please subscribe, and thanks. Bye.